Uh, Obviously having a pullback right now. Okay, right so far this thing's been down from the top. You're looking at pretty decent pullback, 50%. 46% right now where we're at, but it has pulled back 50%. 50% pullback. Not that that's not uncommon in crypto, because that is very common in crypto. All right, if you look for, let's take a look here. Where did this pullback come to on this one? 50% pullback. Okay, we're looking for a pullback area here. Where this pullback could stop. All right. Now if we go from the swing low of this move to the swing high, that gives us, the target areas. It actually broke the 786 here. And right now it's just below that 786. All right. We don't want to see this lose this level right down here. Let me pull this down right where it needs to be. Right about there, that 0.00090. Okay, we don't want to lose that level. Okay, that we're already below the 786 here. Don't want to lose that. If we're going on an hourly chart, all right, you can see this a little bit better here. Let's take a look at some RSIs here. All right, so that 0.0090. Keep an eye on that, a hard eye on that. Okay, we don't want to lose that. We bounced off that so far. All right, and starting a little bit of a bounce up here. Let's take a look at the RSIs. All right, the hourly. Let's see here. Let's go and zoom in a little bit tighter. All right, the hourly is at a 50 and a 48. Still bullish. 36 on the bottom, getting pretty oversold. Okay, the 4 hour still coming down, bearish. 18 and a 32, but we do have a green 4 hour candle. The 8 hour, let's see here, I apologize. There we go. The 8 hours at a 39 and a 64, still pulling down. The 12 hour, bearish 52 and a 64. And you got your daily bullish at a 10. The daily is bullish, and the weekly is bearish at an 81 and an 89. Okay, so if we're going a daily chart here, let's take a look here. All right, it's definitely, I don't want to see it lose that level there. You almost got a head and shoulders forming here a little bit, if you kind of look at this thing. Shoulder, head up here, which I don't want to see that. That's obviously a bearish move. But we have a daily. The daily is reset here. Okay, so I'd like to see this thing bounce. All right, I don't want to lose that level, that 786 here, because then we could be coming down here and looking for a pullback. 618 is right here. Okay, the 702. We're not that much lower. All right, but I would like to see a bounce from where we're at here. All right, that would be nice. Okay, if not, then it could be coming down to this 0.0079 area. That's where it bounced before. It was down here, right over here. You can see that. That's where it ran up from here. So with all these RSIs bearish, I'd almost expect a deeper correction here. Okay, I'd like to see it hold that 0.009 area, but could come down to the 0.0079 or possibly the 0.0067. All right, that's the last 7/8. So that's as deep as this thing should possibly go. Okay, and then we should start getting a bounce from there. But right now we're in a corrective mode, man. It's just correcting right now. Okay, after this big push up, you got to expect a correction to happen, and it's probably just a big ABC in here. It could take a little bit to work out. I'm just being 100% honest with you. This thing could end up bouncing up here a little bit for a 702, and then a final flush down. Put your fib up here. If you don't know this stuff, guys, go sign up for a level 3 trading membership. It's $14.99. It's $15. All right, it's worth $15 just to learn how to use this Fibonacci. This thing will make you a ton of money. It'll get you your entry points, all that stuff. Okay, so this thing could possibly end up doing one of these. Push down here, push up to that 702, and then a final push down, which that would give it a target, of a C leg, down here, 0.0063. Let's see where that fib was at. .0063. Where was that 786 at? Okay, .007. I'm sorry, .0067 right there. All right, so it could end up having a bounce up and then a C leg down. We'll see. All right, worst case scenario, we get down to that .0067 or .0079. Right now we're at a 618 here on this whole big push up here. Okay, we violated the 786 on the swing low to the swing high from that move, so we'll just use this bigger move here. Put this fib on here and keep an eye on them areas, guys. The 786 down here, you know, if you're looking for an entry and if it gets down there, boy, that'd be a good spot maybe to stack on. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but if it gets down to this area, I'll be adding to my bags, that's for sure. That's a very good spot to add. Usually, if you don't get a bounce through these areas, it usually starts right there and takes off. So, all right, thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be back to you very, very soon. Have a great night, everybody.